Installing the flywheel. So many people get this wrong, I thought I'd do a video on it. So you'll notice the two big washers here, they go on first. You gotta make sure you got fresh oil on there. And then your starter ring gear slides on. Next goes the washer that goes between the two, then our keyway, give this a quick wipe. Helps to have the engine at top dead center while you still got the rotor on there after it's loose. Turn it over to top dead center. And that makes the keyway up. So in the back of here, we're going to make sure that's lubricated and it's wiped out a little bit. And then putting the keyway up. As you slide the rotor on, you try not to push the keyway out. And you keep spinning this. And I think I pushed the keyway out. Let's get that. Yep. So I'll do that again. It's hard with the camera in the way. So again, try and eyeball up on that keyway. There we go. Now I got it. And that's a trick. You got to keep this spinning for it to all sit down. The starter gears can't be in it. This has to freewheel nicely when you're done. You turn it while you're sliding the flywheel on, and you want to make sure that keyway stays where it's supposed to be. That's it. It's all too easy. You just got to know that one-way clutch, you can get that sucker bound up. You can put it in backwards if you actually remove it. And it's not a hard job, but it sure stinks if you do it wrong and you got to take it all apart again. So it's all too easy. Person's just got to know. Grant here, Mega City Performance. Have a good one.